Alright guys, how you doing? So my name is Renzo Vargas. So today we're doing a tutorial on half notes. Before this we did a whole note, so we know that a whole note is just a circle, right? So I'm going to write it nice and big. Alright, and there's a reason why I'm doing this, because I'm going to show you how to remember how to go from a whole note to a half note. So we know a whole note plays on 1, and it lasts for 4 beats. So 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Now I'm going to put another whole note over here. We know it's just a circle. Now, in order to turn a whole note into a half note, we have to put a little stick on the right side. Okay? Now this little stick, very important, has a little name. Okay? It's like a flower. Alright? So, now these are no longer whole notes because I put the little stick on the side. These turn into half notes, which is the note that we're learning now. Okay? Now, this little stick in music has a name. Very important that we know this name. Okay? It's like a flower. It's called a stem. Say that with me. Stem. S-T-E-M. Stem. Okay? Excuse my handwriting. I'm not a doctor. Alright? Stem. So, whenever I ask you guys, what we have to do to a whole note that only plays on 1 to turn it into a half note? We have to add a stem. Okay? So, remember that. In order to turn a whole note into a half note, we have to add a stem to it on the right side. Okay, very important. So now that we know what a half note is, now we have to know how long a half note lasts for. So a half note lasts only for 2 beats. If you remember, a whole note lasts for 4. What is half of 4? 2. Remember it like that, okay? Whole note lasts for 4. Half of 4 is 2. So this note only lasts for 2 beats. 1, 2. But since we're counting all the way to 4, it also plays on number 3, and it lasts to 4. 3, 4, that's 2 counts. Okay, so there's 2 counts here, and there's 2 counts there. Okay, we're always going to be counting up to 4. So whenever I ask you guys, what does a half note play on? What numbers do they play on? It plays on number 1, and it also plays on number 3. Okay, very important that we know that. Okay, so now we're going to learn how to clap a half note. Okay, now a half note only claps on number 1 and on number 3. Alright, and it lasts for 2 beats. So, we're going to do it together on the pad. Okay, starting with the right hand. Now remember, we don't repeat hands. So this was going to be with the right, this was going to be with the left. When we come back again, because we don't repeat hands, we always start with the right. Okay, so here we go guys. We're going to count out loud, and we're going to count to 4. 1, 2, count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it together now. Now you guys read and count out loud. 1, 2, count out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so whenever somebody asks you, what is a half note? A half note is a circle with a stem, okay, or a whole note with a stem. That's why it's a half note. And what numbers do half notes play on? They only play on number 1, and they play on number 3, and they last for 2 beats, all right, or 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what a half note is. Okay, guys?